Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we've got a White Fox haul. I'm so excited. You guys know I love White Fox so much and you guys asked me to try White Fox tracksuits so much. I do have a discount code with White Fox. I am starting off with the cutest pink gym set. I'm so obsessed with the colour. It's so beautiful. I'm actually gutted. White Fox have brought out a whole new like pink Pilates princess vibe collection. They brought it out after I placed my order, so I'm so gutted, but I will be picking some of that up. Although this is along the same lines. This is giving Pilates princess. All the items are sold separately, but they go together. You can also get, I think it was like a skirt or like a play suit dress and leggings if you wanted leggings instead of shorts. I decided to go for the shorts because I have so many leggings. The shorts have a super thick waistband, which I'm so happy about. I feel really like held in and snatched. These aren't see-through on me. You can't see my pants from what I'm seeing. And then you've got the top, which is like this halter neck. It's got a thicker bit of material in here with cups. I absolutely love this top. I think the halter neck is just so nice. And then we've got the gym jacket, which I will just zip up for you. I got my regular size in this and it is so sculpting. I'm so happy. It does have zip pockets here, pop things in. I don't really know what you would put in here. I don't know. It has this thicker bit of like sewing and material to kind of give the illusion of like a snatched waist. The jacket's already giving snatch as it is. It is a full zip up as well, which I like, and it comes up quite high. And then my favourite part is thumb holes. I absolutely love a thumb hole, but of course if you don't like that you can just have it like this. They have quite a few colours in their new gym set range and I definitely will be picking up more. I might pick up the leggings for this set as well just so I have options. Next up I picked up this green sequin skirt. I absolutely love the colour of this. White Fox actually sell a top with like matching green sequins on a tank top like this. But I just popped on this white tank top and I think it goes just as well. This is so glittery, like the full thing is sequins. This would be perfect for like a festival season, holiday vibes. You can wear some like wedges with this, cowboy hat, and I just felt like this skirt had my name written all over. And I love green at the moment. I think green is such a nice colour. I think it's going to be so big this summer. I like the shortness of this as well. I sometimes find with sequin skirts they're so long and I don't know why, but this is literally perfect for me. I got my normal size in this. I'm a size 4/6, so I've got an extra small in this. Next up, I picked up this beautiful bandeau flower top. I said in a recent haul that I have been obsessed with this like flower print. I feel like this is going to be the print I'm going to be wearing the whole time on holiday. I have just paired it with this yellow skirt I already had in my wardrobe because it's like orangey yellow colour. I'm not actually sure how well it goes. I thought it would go a bit nicer, but now I'm not too sure. I would also wear this with like just a plain white maxi skirt, white linen trousers, or if you had a pink skirt this would go well as well. It's a super thick material, really stretchy. The top bit does have that like rubber so it stays up on your chest. When I had my wardrobe clear out I realised that I really didn't have fun tops. I know this isn't super fun. I normally go for quite basic tops. So excited to wear this and I'm really happy with this material. It's like a really soft material. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like swimsuit material. That's the only way I could describe it. I picked up another top that had that flower design on because as I said I'm absolutely loving it. I just paired it with this white floaty skirt that I already had in my wardrobe. I also did size up in this corset. I just find with any sort of like boned and structured corset it's best for me to size up. This does have boning here so it has lots of structure. I feel so secure in this top as well. Like I don't feel like they slip out or anything like that. Straps are adjustable. I love this so much. This outfit is exactly how I would wear it. I feel so cute and just girly. You see the structure of it? It just makes the body look so good. I would say this is probably my favourite thing I've tried on so far. How cute is this for like a summer outfit? I really do love this. I wasn't sure how I was going to style this corset because I had in mind to do like a pink skirt with this, but I actually don't have a pink skirt. Well I do, I have one that's sequin and the other one is like a long pink skirt, but they're completely different colours. But I decided to pop it on with a denim skirt. If you're going out for like drinks with your friends, this could be a good outfit because it isn't too dressy, but you've got that like dressy element with the sequin corset. This isn't as much of a structured corset as the last one, but it's still got the like stitching underneath to give you that structure. These are adjustable and I also did size up in this corset. The whole thing is sequin and I hope it's picking up. It's like a dusty pink colour. I'd probably wear some Converse with this. If you're going on a girls' night out, boots, that could work as well. I'm pretty sure they do a matching skirt for this and they also do it in green. When I put this top on, I felt something run down my back and I thought it was a spider, but luckily it wasn't. It was just a hair. I'm having to hold this like this because I can't figure out how I adjust it. Because if I let go, it's literally gonna ping open. But it's meant to be one of them like low cut drapey tops, and I thought the top would be adjustable, but it's just like a bra hook. So I do think with a top like this, I would do this anyway, is get some double-sided boob tape and stick it obviously on your boob and the top and just stick it into place just to keep it where you want it. But as I said, I would do that regardless if the top was too open, and tops like this are always going to be risky no matter what. The design of this is so stunning. Hopefully you can see it's like this beading. I think you can see that there. Beading is going to be so in this summer. Sequins and beads, trust me, get all the stuff you can see of that now because everyone's going to be obsessed with it. I always see tops like this, but they're so expensive. Obviously White Fox is more on the affordable side, so I'm so glad White Fox are doing their own take on this trend. I've just paired it with this little white skirt that I already had in my wardrobe. This with some cowboy boots. It looks so good, but this is giving IB for vibes. I feel like the girlies are going to be so obsessed with this top. Again, I think they have this in more colours. I'm so shocked by this piece because I really wasn't expecting to like love it. I knew I was looking for a jacket like this, but now I've tried it on, I'm fully obsessed. I need to take a sip of my matcha. When I talk too much, my throat gets so dry. I've been loving the whole like countryside vibe at the moment with the welly boots, and I've been looking for a coat for so long for literally this exact outfit. This jacket is so soft and so comfortable, and the size, literally exactly what I wanted. So it does have this like darker collar and pockets here, which is amazing. I feel like this is a love-hate jacket and love-hate trend. I personally really love it. Joe, bless me at. Although I've paired this with a skirt, I think I would just do leggings as well. And I love the pockets, how they're just like there, you know? I know I said that other top was my favourite thing, but this might be my favourite thing now. I love this as an outfit, but let's talk about them separately. Starting off with the jacket. This is a burgundy, kind of plummy though. It's like burgundy plum, and it's a faux leather jacket. It has a slight like imprint in it, if you can see that. I love an oversized leather jacket. I think they are so nice. Bottom is elasticated, so when you do it up, it can have that cinch, which I like because sometimes with an oversized jacket, it can like swallow you. This colour is just so beautiful. I'm really happy with the fit of this, and I haven't sized up. Next up, we've got the jeans, which hopefully you can see the bottom of them. They are long for me, but that's because I'm 5 foot. Roll them inside and then just put my shoes on and they'll stay up. I've been looking for a pair of white jeans for a long time, and I really like, hopefully you can see, it's got like a darker stitching to it. I think it just adds a bit of contrast to it, and I really do like that. These fit me perfectly. Did I size up in these? I got a extra small. I don't know if I've ever tried White Fox jeans before. I've seen loads of people try them and I just keep forgetting. These are really comfortable and they fit so well. There's no like gape at the back. They do also have like a brown tag, which I love on jeans. I also like that they're low-waisted because I have a lot of crop tops that come quite far down and I still want that little bit of separation. So these are absolutely perfect. I'm so glad they're going straight in my jean drawer. I've been looking for a chocolate brown knitted jumper for a while, and then I saw White Fox did them. I didn't really know they did much knitwear. I really like this. The colour is so perfect. It's that really nice deep cool tone brown. I love the neckline as well. Only thing is the sleeves are quite big. That's my only thing with this jumper, but quality wise this feels really nice. As I said, I never knew White Fox did knitwear. They seem to have done it really well. I popped it on with the same jeans I had on. Really love chocolate brown white jeans and then some brown Uggs. That would look so good together. I found my new favourite knitted jumper. This is so nice. Did I size up in this? I'll have to check. What size did I get that brown jumper in? Brown jumper in an extra small. Oh, I thought I sized up in this. I like it as well because the jeans are low-waisted. It does have that like separation. So soft. I really wish you could feel it. It's not itchy at all. This gives me like coffee date vibes. Okay, I'm so obsessed with this. I really don't want to take this off because it's so comfortable. We're finally going to move on to some tracksuits. I'm not going to show them all just because I've done a TikTok on all of the tracksuits. So originally probably clicked on this video with the tracksuit. I did actually grab their new size. So White Fox have started doing a 3XS. I'm normally like a 2XS XS, but I wanted to try the new 3XS. 3XS, can I say that anymore, is not for me personally. I think it just is a bit too fitted. It fits, but I prefer a slight bag. So the shorts I'd probably get an XS in. The jumper, to be fair, I got in a 3XS and I do really like it. So I probably would still get this. This would be the perfect going to Ibiza airport outfit. I love to wear a short set to the airport, so when I arrive I can just unzip this and not be too hot. They do have a little design on here which is cherries, and I think that's a bow, yeah. It says White Fox here, and then on the back, as you can see, hopefully, clearly, it has this print which is printed on so well. It's like actually 3D, and it does have a hood, but the hood is quite small on this one. You already know White Fox tracksuits are so comfortable, and I'm so glad they are doing zip up, because I love a zip up short set. Of course I had to pick up another shorts tracksuit because you can never have too many. This one is white with blue on it. Again, it says White Fox in the 3D print, which is printed on so well. It doesn't have anything on the back, but then it has the White Fox here also. Again, this is in a 3XS, but it doesn't come up as small as the last set. I still would size up one in this. To be fair, the jumper fits quite well. Maybe just the shorts. Never tried White Fox's tracksuits before. They're so soft on the inside, really fluffy, and for me they wash so well. You just need to do it on a delicate wash. We'll do one more tracksuit and then you can watch my TikTok. I thought I'd show you this one before I put it on, just so you can see it clearer. White Fox has never done this before, that I've seen anyway. This is a full rhinestone back with the White Fox logo again. This is so nice. This is the cutest thing ever. I love rhinestones so much, and I love pink, and I love that they're in pink rhinestones as well. And then it's also got a little bit on the front. But I like that there's not too much on the front and it is mainly the back. And then it's also on the joggers as well. This is in a 2XS and I much prefer the fit of this on me. Jumper is nice and oversized, has a big pocket. Joggers also have pockets and a really thick waistband with adjustable strings as well. And the bottom is cuffed. You cannot beat a White Fox tracksuit. If you've never tried one, I really suggest you do. And if you do, I would say this one because it's so cute and so girly. I'm literally obsessed with everything in this haul. Thank you so much, White Fox, for working with me on this video. You guys know I love you so much. Don't forget to use my discount code and let me know if you want more White Fox hauls, because I can definitely do that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.